In the Philippines, establishment buildings are located everywhere. The roads are full of cars that cause heavy traffic. While the city is so busy, people tend not to look over their offices and establishments. That is why the problem arises. Thefts are roaming around the city, making such a huge disturbance to the society. But in the middle of a busy city, you will find the automation and security that provides the best solution for your problem. The SI installed camera nationwide. By the time thefts returned, we are prepared. Automation and Security provides installation services, with after-sales support in home, office, malls, market, stores, street, and even government establishment. Install CCTV now. For inquiries, just call us at 727-2727, visit our website www.asi.com.ph.